We had an absolutely huge run on the NASDAQ today, and I'm going to break it down from bottom to top. First things first, you got to go to the daily chart. Why did we see such a large run higher today? Well, if you trade ICT's concepts, you understand that today was a TGIF condition, meaning that the entire weekly candle was moving lower and lower. So we had a lot of selling, if you want to view it that way, in this week. And then we finally took out the weekly objective. This sell side liquidity pool, that's your weekly objective. Now, what's key here is this was done on Friday. So let's go into the chart and see what happened once we reached that weekly objective. So this black line right here, and I'll make it red, that's the weekly objective. Notice how market opens at 9:30. We go down below that weekly objective and we take out the sell side here, and then we immediately expand higher. At this time, there was also an SMT with ES at the weekly objective, indicating strength on the S&P 500, and we formed this model long if you trade that model. Now, the idea is the weekly objective was hit. We've been one-sided the entire week. It's time to take some profits. If the market's been going down, meaning selling, when we take profits, that's buying, if you want to view it in terms of selling and buying. So that's buying. And if we're going to buy, where are we going to sell to? Well, we look to target old liquidity pools. Why? Because there we have willing buyers when we're buying to sell to them, right? So we have liquidity here, 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 and then these really smooth relative equal highs. And on top of that, that new week opening gap. This is everything we outlined on live stream. In terms of entries, it depends how you want to do it. There's a couple of options. You have an inversion here, SMT here, a couple of options with the order blocks. Here you get -2 standard deviations. And then here you can finally see we got that buy side liquidity pool. Final inversion fair value gap looks like it might deliver to the new week opening gap. And that's the breakdown from top to bottom. We classified this as a TGIF. Thank God it's Friday setup. And that's pretty much everything that happened today. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.